How's it going, guys? This is Daniel with JoesGE and Electronics. I will be replacing the speaker fabric on an Ultimate UE Megaboom. This repair is not very difficult, but if you find it difficult, we would recommend you sending your speaker into our repair center to be repaired by a professional. You can also purchase the necessary parts and tools for your repair linked in the video if you want to try this yourself. So let's begin. I'll be using this tool here, which you can also find on our website linked in this video. First, you start by prying up the spine by flipping the speaker over to your charger port side and prying it up right about here. Once you have that open, you can start working your way down the spine. Once you have that pried open, you can start taking off the fabric on the charger port side by prying it up like this. You can do the rest with your hands. Once you have that done, you can pry the fabric up on the spine side. Once you have that done, peel it back. You'll find that there's multiple holes here. You can start by prying it up just like that. Once you have that done, you can put your fabric away that has been damaged. You can grab your replacement fabric. Also note that there are different size clips. Find the according size clip and clip it in. Also, it's good to note that Megaboom has different color shades for the fabric, so we can send you a fabric so you can customize your Megaboom. Once you have that clipped in like that, start clipping in it like this. Once you have that done, you can place the spine back by clipping it in like this. And there you go. You have a custom purple and red Megaboom.